I'm going to share with you an incredible journey I had with YouTube Shorts. In just 30 days, I went from a beginner to a viral sensation, and I'm here to spill all the secrets on how I did it. So if you're ready to skyrocket your channel's success, keep watching. I'll be sharing the strategies, techniques, and insights that helped me go viral in just 30 days. So grab your notepads and get ready to take some notes. Now, let's dive into the first step: crafting attention-grabbing content. In the world of YouTube Shorts, you only have seconds to capture your audience's attention. So focus on creating visually stunning and captivating content right from the get-go. Think outside the box, experiment with different angles, and don't be afraid to let your creativity shine. Next up, it's all about optimization. Understanding how the YouTube algorithm works is crucial for your success. I'll be sharing tips on how to choose the right tags, titles, and descriptions that will make your short stand out from the crowd. Plus, I'll give you insights on how to leverage the power of trending hashtags to maximize your reach. Moving on to step 3. Consistency is key. The more frequently you post, the higher your chances of gaining traction. I'll share my personal posting schedule and how I managed to stay consistent without sacrificing quality. Remember, building a loyal audience requires dedication and commitment. Last but not least, we'll talk about engagement and community building. Building a strong bond with your audience is crucial for long-term success. I'll reveal my secrets on how I engage with my viewers, respond to comments, and create a sense of community within my channel. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. And don't forget to share your own experiences with YouTube Shorts in the comments below.